Here is the app Hyper Daily Challenges, new trending app in social networking. It kind of reminds me of Be Real. So where every day you just need to post your photo status, but also it has points where you collect points by doing that, and then you can redeem them for real rewards with brand. So it's also a combination with TYB app where you can just exchange your photos for some gift cards with real value. And also here you have challenges where you need to add your friends and do some challenges together. So here's how it looks like. This, I just added my first snap. You can take a look. Here's profile. You can invite your friends. There are also memories. You can add your friends. And then here you have points where, you just complete challenges, earn points. Each challenge give you points, track your progress on the rewards page, pick your reward, claim from your inbox. And that's the idea. Then you can also invite your friend. I don't know whether it gives you some points, so feel free to use my code. Just basic. Maybe these are just friends. And then, for example, you can snap your challenge, and then this is how you do. So then you can just go and snap your coffee, and the thing is, so for example, just as an idea, that this app identifies whether this is a real photo of the challenge or not. Submit some other photo. So for example, here, if I would just submit not a photo of the walk, but just some random object, it wouldn't recognize it. So some pretty cool AI filtering in here. So that's that. And then also you can add your friends. You can add friends to create your own challenges, and that's basically how you do it and earn points. And then you need to get additional like 10,000 points to get rewards. There are no so that's basically the app. So try it out.